Unlock a world of vibrant, artistic possibilities for your photos with Nano Banana, the intuitive image editing tool that transforms everyday shots into masterpieces. Let's dive in. First, open your desired photograph within Nano Banana. You'll notice our clean and user-friendly interface, designed to make editing a breeze, even for beginners. To bring your image to life, start with our Enhancement Tools. Gently adjust the brightness to bring out hidden details. Then fine-tune the contrast to create more depth and drama. Don't be afraid to boost the saturation to make those colors pop and truly stand out. Now, let's explore the incredible array of filters, from a classic vintage feel to striking black and white or even a painterly watercolor effect. Simply tap through the options to instantly preview how each filter transforms your image. Find the one that best complements your vision. But Nano Banana doesn't stop there. Unleash your creativity with our special effects. Add inspiring text overlays, incorporate unique design elements, or even paint directly onto your photo with our artistic brushes to further personalize your creation. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've transformed a regular photograph into something truly special. Experiment, play, and let Nano Banana be your guide to achieving your desired aesthetic outcomes every single time. Download Nano Banana today and start creating your own photo magic. Photo editing Nano Banana Photo.